Yes people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Adidas Yeezy Slide. But before we get into the shoe, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really helps the channel. And guess what? If you check out the solesupply.co.uk, turn on release reminders. With that, you will never miss a drop of high heat shoes. So let's get into the shoe itself. I'm not calling it a sneaker because this is wild. Welcome to our first unboxing of quarantine as well, because we're going to be doing this for a few months. So welcome to my living room. I promise it doesn't look like a prison. This is just because of all the white lights I have on me. But these are prison shoes. We have slides, and that's about all you have. Full rubber across the upper, very comfortable, other than the fact that they're mad tight. I would suggest going at least half a size, maybe even a full size up. But they're a no from me, Jeff. I try to be as honest as I can on this channel, and £45 for a pair of sliders is pretty ridiculous. Just because they're Kanye West doesn't make them good. The ridged sole looks like a bit of a madness, and they remind me of like going to a spa, and it's the ones that you can just throw away. Full rubber, as I said, quite comfortable on the heel, nice lot of padding, but this strap is so tight and there is no give whatsoever. I mean, like, look, I go gym 5 times a week. Lol, JK, definitely don't. But these right here, my girlfriend just looked at me like, Chris, you've never been gym since I've been with you. I will leave a link in the description as per usual so you can try and cop a pair. No set release date as of yet due to quarantine and all this self-isolation. They keep getting pushed back, but they're definitely worth a look at least. I've been Chris from the Sole Supplier. This has been the Adidas Yeezy Slide, and I'll see you very soon for another quarantine unboxing. See ya.